Happy Sunday. Favorite mo tong flower.
What color is that?
Purple.
Purple. Is that mommy's favorite? Yes. My favorite color.
Bango.
Abango? Mabango ba yan? What's that? What are you eating?
Corn.
Corn. May cheese?
Yeah.
Yeah. You love it?
Yeah.
Yummy?
Yeah.
Ay, sana all. It's Sunday. Happy Sunday.
Happy Sunday, Mommy.
I love you. I love you. I love you, anak.
Love you, Mommy.
Fight lang? Sabi mo, fight lang, mami.
Fight, Mommy.
Ay, God bless us. God bless you, baby.
Thank you, Mommy.
Oh, may see the flower again?
Yeah.
Wow, I love it.
So ganda.
So ganda, so beautiful. I love it. What color is that?
Purple.
It's purple. Mommy's favorite. Yay!
Red.
Ay, nagdadance.